oh, 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 oh. I like tennis, yes I do. I like pizza, how about you? I don't like football, no, no, no. I don't like hamburgers, that's for sure. Do you like it? Yes I do. Do you like it? No, not you. Ask your teacher, ask your friend. Does the fun ever end? Do you like swimming in the pool? Do you like Italian food so cool? Ask and answer one by one. Learning English is so fun. Do you like it? Yes, I do. Do you like it? No, not you. Ask your teacher, ask your friend. Does the fun ever end? I like swimming, running too. Basketball and tennis, woo! I don't like golf, I don't like chess, but I like English more or less. Do you like it? Yes, I do. Do you like it? No, not you. Ask your teacher, ask your friend. Does the fun ever end? I don't like, don't, do not. That's right. Positive and negative. Questions, answers, let's live. Do you like tennis?
Yes, I do.
Do you like football?
No, not you.
I like this, but I don't like that. Now you know where it's at.
Hey, hey, hey.